Hi, excuse me. How much do you pay for rent in TTDI?
Wait, what? Nice seeing you.
Wait, where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm gonna go sell a house.
Oh, so you're a property agent?
Yes, I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes, and I just sold a home. Since you seem like a nice guy, do you want to go check out the home before I hand over the keys?
Sure, I'd love to.
Let's go. This house is 2,357 square feet. It is huge. See what I mean? Really huge. This home has 4 rooms and 3 baths. Come, let's check it out. So the length of the front is 26 feet, it's 24 feet at the back. So what you get is a huge master bedroom. And I kid you not. It's big, it's really big. There are 2 more rooms at the back. It's a living hall. It's just so much space. I love this home and I'm so happy for the new homeowners. You know who you are.
So, just one more question.
Last question. We've got to go. We've got to go.
How much did you sold this place for?
I sold it for 1.92 million. Bye.
Nice.